Welcome to GVR Groups. Think Smart Home. Think GVR Groups. Since 2010, GVR Groups has been Tamil Nadu's leader in smart living. From luxury home theaters to advanced security and automation, we deliver seamless, intelligent solutions for homes and offices. Experience future-ready comfort with GVR Groups. 15 years of award-winning expertise.
We are your one-stop smart solution partner.
Visit our live experience centers and count on our strong after-sales support. We simplify life using the world's latest tech for real security and comfort, striving to be the region's most innovative leader. Real stories from real homes. See why industry leaders and homeowners trust GVR Groups for their smart automation and security needs. Professional execution, reliable service, and a team that listens. Experience total smart living with GVR Groups. We deliver world-class home automation, cinematic home theaters, and complete security. Now featuring sustainable smart power and next-gen cleaning solutions.
For your home.